This is PK, and before I jump to Bitcoin, I would like to bring your attention to our website where we have a Black Friday sale discounts. If you're interested in studying with us, learning how to trade market geometry, Elliott wave, algos, indicators, stuff like that. If you want to make money on your own, well, we have some discounts on membership on a yearly level or monthly. If you just want to see how it works, you can join us for free as well, and you can also buy only the belt courses in order to study on your own. Having said that, let's jump to Bitcoin, and this is my alternate account where I realize that no matter how I count the Bitcoin right now, I still think that we have another wave 5 to come. Here on this chart, I have it as a 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then even a smaller 1 2 to the 3 4 expanding, ending diagonal for the 5th. Then you have your wave 3, a triangle for the 4, and then another impulsive for the micro 3, and you end your larger degree 3 there. You have a clean zigzag with the A. I'm going to show you on another chart. ABC zigzag, and then potential truncation for the 5th. So if we end our 5th here, that's gonna be only the 3rd wave done, and we still have some sideways to do before hitting the 5th wave. Now I stated before that we have to traverse from this side of the channel trend line to the right side of the trend line before hitting higher highs. In a sense of Elliott has to do this, right? We need some time for a wave 4 to form. And why are waves 4 sideways? Well, most of the time they're sideways and not necessarily sharp, because there's a great belief that we're going to continue up, and considering the fact that we have strong 3rd waves, well, most of investors consider that we're not done and there's still more to come, and there's not a lot of descent or lower lows to say, so that we can catch better prices. The market is impatient to continue up. Now, to check some stuff on the micro time frame, I'm gonna go here quickly. So we had something completed there. Now, impulse, triangle, impulse is a zigzag. So that's either something done on a wave 4 or just wave W, sorry. So if we had a W here and now we had some sort of a phony X, well, we need another corrective structure to complete the sideways pattern. What we cannot have is a zigzag on a double combo. So what we can have is a zigzag as a W, phony X. Now we need either a flat to complete our double combo, and this is going to be our wave 4. Or if it's not that, we can have so W, X, A, B, C, D, E for a triangle. This could be your wave Y ending here. Or if not, if we just completed something here, well, we still have the potential of having a zigzag. If we count this as a zigzag and not an impulse, this could be your A, your wave B. Now we're either making the wave C, D, and E, and then you can form a barrier ascending triangle and then it's going to be your wave 4. So A, B, C, D, E. Well, that means that the last move is incoming to complete something. There is another way to count this, which would be zigzag, zigzag, and an impulsive, which would be a running flat, which is really rare. And this one would be really ugly looking. So I wouldn't rely so much on an Elliott wave right now, on a lower time frame at least, because I'm just gonna think like this. Here is our support. I buy here, and that's it. If I have a chance, that is, to buy here, because this could have been the lowest low for our wave 4, even if the terminus of the wave 4 is here. Now, if we complete something there, if we have another kick that is impulsive, I'm out, because this is gonna complete my conservative count. Conservative count, this being a leading diagonal to a wave 2, and then I drew this long time ago. Then we had a triangle, and we completed something there, and now we had a zigzag, which is here. It's just that I think that it's gonna take a bit longer. Doesn't matter. Next one, I'm taking my profits. My personal opinion, at least, is that we're gonna have another leg up. Now, the whole point of Elliott wave is to recognize and spot the pattern, because when you recognize or spot the pattern, then you can play the next pattern. Now, what's the next pattern? Well, let's go here. Everything in Elliott wave ends in 5. Now, if I have a count that this is only the wave 3 ending here, but I'm gonna stay conservative and take my profits here, as I said. If we have something end here on this level, well, then according to this, it can be, now I'm gonna repeat the whole story again. This could be a zigzag, and we continue down. Give me log, makes more sense. Okay. So continuing here, 5 down, and then this would look more as a 5-3-5, this being an ugly triangle, if you want to count it that way. Normally at this stage, people don't think that this is going to happen, and this is also normal because we're pumping. When do people think that this happens? Well, when we start doing that. But if you do that, this could just continue the pattern upwards. What do I mean by that? Back to linear for better geometry. So either ABC corrective or 1, 2, and then 1 and 2. And off we go for the 3. Unfortunately, this wave can be counted as a WX, and perhaps now we just made the wave A of the wave Y. So we need 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this can be regarded as a 2 impulses as well, and then we have a sideways, and then perhaps another set of 2 impulses. So just because we make some corrective 3-wave move doesn't mean that it's going to necessarily be 3. Again, I'm going to repeat, we need to kill the channel to have a proper 3rd wave. The most bullish scenario would be 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2, and we go for the 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5, and this would complete. I'll end it with structure. It's not so clean right now. And end of another cycle. I think I said everything I wanted to say there. So at the end of the day, still sideways, another leg up, and I'm getting out at least. Not a financial advice for you guys. Have a lovely day.